Hey everyone, welcome to a new StreamLadder YouTube video. Today we're going to talk about something that's very exciting for the YouTube Shorts creators. As of October 15th, which is today, Shorts can now be up to 3 minutes long. That's right, 3 whole minutes of creative freedom. Before we were limited to just 60 seconds, but now with these extra 2 minutes, you can really dive deeper into your content. Whether it's a longer tutorial, a mini vlog, or even a story, there's so much more you can do. Think about it. Now you can share more details, showcase creativity, and keep your viewers engaged for just a bit longer. I am for sure going to use this feature, and I'm very curious how you guys are going to use this as well. And the best part, YouTube also added new templates and trending sounds and more ways to remix your clips, making it easier than ever to stay creative and get noticed. So how can you make the most out of this 3-minute format? My tips: start with the hook to grab attention, keep your content focused, and use the extra time to expand on your ideas, whether that's through a deeper dive or adding more layers to your story. Now you can have the chance to connect even more with your audience, give them more value, and get even more creative with your shorts. It's perfect for those who want to tell a bigger story in a quick, engaging way. Now I want to hear from you. How are you planning to use this new 3-minute shorts feature? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the bell so you never miss any update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video, maybe with a 3-minute short of my own. Stay creative, everyone.